our engagement will be tomorrow night.
That's the son of the father.
I sleep and wake up dreaming that I am going to get married to the prince.
Dating a common man is far better than dating Prince Tolo Tolo.
It is better to have a broken engagement than a broken marriage.
Leave me alone! Don't you lay your filthy hands on me, you beast!
If you're capable of doing the work, then you go back to site. Let me see the food that will come and stop you people from working there.
If you people just enter our position, you carry 700 shoulder pad on your shoulder.
What will it take from you to pay homage to the royal family?
We must make him respect royalty.
Nobody should do any work on this land again.
Who brought them?
The senator's son. Federal government is doing project for our people. One local prince from nowhere had to tell his boys to stop it.
I have told you severally. Leave me alone.
You are a single girl, and this is the perfect time for you to make the better choice.
I saw Udoka squeezing, kissing, and hugging Amara with passion.
The news of our escapade will be the first to wake you up in the morning.
The little man have got some guts.
My son is not going to spend his night there in the police station.
This man should be behind the counter.
There's no power attached to the title. Now the royal power we get. Forget federal power.